In this experiment, we will study the photoelectric effect on a zinc plate. Put a cleaned zinc plate on a gold leaf electroscope. Use an EHT supply to give a negative charge to the plate. The gold leaf rises. Shine the zinc plate with a UV lamp. Observe the movement of the gold leaf. Charge the zinc plate again. With a UV lamp, shine the zinc plate through a glass plate. Observe the movement of the gold leaf. Shine the negatively charged zinc plate with visible light. Does the gold leaf move in this case? Now, give a positive charge to the zinc plate. Shine the plate with a UV lamp. Does the gold leaf move?